Okay guys, so for our 22nd wedding anniversary, we decided to go to Texas de Brazil in Trinidad for dinner. Okay, this restaurant is located at Movie Town. So how this restaurant works is that you pay for like a package, like you have, I think one was like premium and executive, I think. And what they will do is that, well, first of all, you have access to the salad bar. So that's the salad bar that you see in here. I apologize, I kind of moved a little too fast with the camera. So the salad bar, you can go to it as many times as you want to. You can go to the salad bar. And the meats now, what they do is that you would see, I will show you where they give you this card, and it has one side is red, one side is green. So if you want them to keep on bringing meats out to you, you put it on green and they will keep on bringing meats to your table. And you can just, try different types of meats. And that is how the restaurant operates. So this is here. Okay, so this is what I was telling you about, the red and the green. So yes please means bring more meat, no thank you means stop bringing the meat. So what you saw before was what we had. I basically had I just had things at a salad bar. So this is how they bring the meat out to you. They ask you, well, of course, when you have your card, it indicates to them to come and bring it. So yeah, that was basically our dinner at Texas de Brazil. And because it was our anniversary, they wrote happy anniversary on our dessert plates for us.